In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple users on Google Pixel phone. First, go to settings, then type in the search users, then it's going to be under system users. So here, make sure to enable allow user switch, and then here on this phone there's 2 users currently, so I'm gonna add another user. Just click add user. Here it's just saying that it's gonna set up the space, and if one user updates the apps, it's gonna update for all other users. Click next, and then type in the name for the user. I'm just gonna keep it as new user. Click done. And now it's gonna create the new user. So here you can switch to the new user. Just click here, and then you can set up the account. Just click set up now. So click continue. And then you can sign into your Google account. I'm just gonna skip this step. Then I'm gonna skip. And then here it's asking me to set up the PIN. Right now you can't see it on the screen. I'm just gonna skip it. If you want to set up a PIN, just make sure to set up one. I'm just gonna click on skip. And then here I'll just accept. I can choose not to allow location, and then accept, and then say no thanks. Now you can swipe up. You will see the new user interface. That's pretty much it. If you want to go back to your original user, just scroll up twice. You will see this option, so you can switch between like different users. So here's my original one. I'll just click here, and it's gonna switch back to like the older user. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.